It's time for Pound Cable HD Link for your Dreamcast. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and I'm here with my buddy!
Yo, Gunloc!
So in today's video we are going to talk about the Pound HD link cable for your Sega Dreamcast. The solution is here, buddy! We can play with your old stuff on HD televisions.
Well, let's go for it!
But first, what does the box say? Plug and play, HD ready, compatible with all modern televisions, work with Dreamcast.
Works with Dreamcast.
Works with Dreamcast. No, works with Dreamcast. We know, because it's for Dreamcast.
Yeah.
Nevertheless. Alright, what's inside the box? It comes with a plastic bag. We're having a very long HDMI cable. It comes with the pound box, because we're going to pound it in. Or I just call it the magic box. This converts this old connector, your old analog signal, up to HDMI digital. So that's pretty damn awesome. This is very weird. We're having this input for the micro USB. There is nothing on the box. I know for previous models you can have this option to add some extra juice to it. I don't know if you can. We tested out with previous model. Didn't
make any difference at all.
So I don't know. I'm going to use it with some extra juice, but keep in mind you're going to need an extra USB micro cable and a power adapter. So yeah, that's it. Let's plug it in and time for some action.
Let's play. Elena.
So Nico, let's show off your moves. I like to point out I'm capturing this straight from my television because I have some problems with Elgato. Elgato is saying that it's under the 480p, so there is no signal output.
Ouch. I was surprised about that.
Why?
That Elgato couldn't get a signal.
Great software, great hardware, but it's a little bit of a bummer.
Yeah.
I really love to capture the real quality of the Dreamcast, but I hope the people can see it here on the camera now.
I hope so too. There we go.
Alright, we're having this message that I've never seen before. This game doesn't support the AV out cable.
I've never heard of this. The game in question is Heavy Metal Geomatrix, by the way. But I've never heard of this.
No. So then you know that this is a message you can get when having an unsupported game.
Apparently.
So next game, one of your favorite games.
Soul Calibur. An absolute classic.
Yeah.
Let me know what you think.
It's more like Soul Blade 2.
Yeah, there's a story behind that. I'll tell you another time. These Dreamcast graphics are crystal clear, just take a look.
Yeah. So it brings the Dreamcast back to life with this HDMI cable.
Yeah. I'm very impressed with the quality of this cable.
Sarvante.
Your boy, right?
Oh yeah, my favorite character. I love the pirate song in part 1.
Yeah.
Taki. Moet er ook iemand?
Dat is Killick.
Oh, it's Killick. Oh.
Ja. Nightmare.
Yeah. Former Siegfried.
Yeah.
Siegfried also, that's my second character in the game.
Okay.
Yep.
For me were Mitsurugi and Ivy. Yeah, that's Mitsurugi.
Ah. Oh, it's skeleton dude back.
Can't remember if it's the same one.
Oh.
Inferno? I'm not sure anymore.
He was annoying.
Yeah, he was. He was. Okay, then you want to do a quick match?
Oh yeah. It's demo time.
Oh man, this looks gorgeous.
So for the final conclusion, people, new Gunloc, what do you think of it?
I think it's a great product. The image was crystal clear, so yeah, I'm positive about it. I like it.
But that message, that concerned me. That the message that it says this game is not compatible with your VGA. So
yeah, I think it's purely on the game. It hasn't got anything to do with the cable, I think. It's purely the game. Once again, it was heavy metal geometrics. And there also might be more games which will have this problem.
Yeah, that's something you need to consider.
Yeah.
For something I want to add to this video, for example, here on AliExpress you can buy these cheap. They are basically from Raspberry Pi. I would say buy it. You need to buy it for a couple of euros or dollars because you shall need to give this thing actually use.
Yeah. So get yourself a couple of AC adapters just to be sure.
Yeah. Because it's a couple of euros, so I would not take the risk. If you want interest in the product, buy a separate power supply or in a local shop. That's also possible. It's just basically 5 volts, let's say 1 amp, 2 amp. So it's not very heavy. So let me know what you think of this. Want to thank you for watching.
Later, people.
New Gunloc, thanks for helping.
Yeah, no problem, man.
And don't forget, subscribe, like, and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel.
And stay wicked.
Yeah.